Hi guys, so I've just made a different kind of hack along the lines of the checkerboard, but instead of doing one by one, so like one on, one off, I'm doing 3 on, 3 off. I am using a 3 diamond wide multi-tool. Sorry, it's a bit bad lighting. You can see it a bit better there. And so I'm basically just picking up my 3 diamonds and then putting them above like so, and then picking up another 3, oh goodness me, and putting it in another, missing 3 and putting down another 3. And then when I want to go and fill from the bottom up and fill in the gaps, ta-da! This might be old news, but it's a bit faster than the checkerboard and it gets pretty good results. And then when there's some gaps like that, just go along, squish them down. Bob's your uncle! And of course, as I fill in the rest, these bits of gaps should disappear. Hot tip, yo! Hope it helps. Enjoy!